Hello everyone, welcome to Craft and Home Decor. I'm back with a fridge magnet DIY video. So I got this cute little thing from a wedding card and thought to make something out of it with help of clay. So let's start with it. I am using Fevicryl mouldit clay. I'll put the link in the description. So my clay is ready. Now let's put the clay on top of this writing to cover it up, and then will do something on top of the clay. And now I can tell I'm planning to make a fridge magnet out of it. So let's see how this turn out. If you like this video, please like and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Okay, finally I make this design, let it dry, and then we'll color it. So now the clay dried and we will color it with the help of acrylic paint. So first I will take white acrylic and then I will cover the entire clay. After that, once the white paint dries down, then we will color it. Now the white paint is done, let it dry. So now the paint got dried and I am planning to use this orange acrylic color. Let's color this portion only with the orange acrylic. This orange part is done. Now I am planning to put golden color on the bow. Not sure though. Let's see how it turns out. If it is too light, then I might have to do some other colors. So I think this golden thing is not coming out properly. I'll try to put some other copper color, because the base is golden. Even though it is looking good, but it is actually getting disappeared with the golden background. After putting copper color, it came out like this. Let it dry and then let's paint the arrow. Let's put yellow color. Now after coloring, I am trying to put some border with the help of this 3D outliner. I have written Jai Shri Ram in the orange portion. Actually, I forgot to take the video of this, but I have used a 0 number brush, and with help of another acrylic color, I have written this. I made some more design. I'll let it dry and then we'll show you the final version. So this is the final look. After all this thing dried, I have applied some varnish so that the color will not fade. Now what we'll do, we will stick a magnet here and then it will become a fridge magnet. This one of the magnet I am going to stick it. This magnet also I bought it from the Amazon. It came in 25 pieces. I already used one. So these are very good quality magnet and it stick to the surface very strong. Quality is very good. I'll give the link of this as well in the description box. So let's stick the magnet. So this is how it turned out after I put it on my fridge. Please let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.